Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Stay at home and stay safe. Miss Maliha, your English teacher, is here with new topic. Today is our sixth lesson of English subject, and my topic is introduction of sound, which is include recognition, pronunciation, formation, tracing vocabulary words, and the coloring to the related object of sound So, start our class. First of all, I am going to tell you the phonic song of but also I am going to revise all phonic song which we learned in previous lessons. First is ants on my arms, ants on my arms, ants on my arms, it causing me alarm. Bring your bat, bring your ball, bring your bat, bring your ball to the park to play. We are clicking castle nest, We are clicking castle nest, See me play on my drum, playing drum. It's a lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play pop on my drums. Now I am going to tell you phonic sound. Okay? Pretend to crack an egg against the side of a pan. Okay? With one hand. Use both hands to open the shell. Okay? Saying eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this, Okay? Now come to pronunciation of sound. As you know, the pronunciation of is b, k, d. Now come to the is open your lips and showing your upper teeth with also use your tongue. Like smiling face. Last, formation of sound. As you know, the b, k, d formation. The formation of is go turn around or make a half circle, go up and down. Go down and turn around. It's a b formation. K is curvy, make a half circle. And for da, make a kha, go up and down. For a formation, first of all, starting with the middle, go straight or is make an eye and go all the way the round, or we can say and turn around like this. Say with me, a is make an eye and turn around. Say with me. Kindly learn these formation words. Okay? I am going to tell you again. Is make an eye and turn around, and you make like this. Okay, students? Now come to the vocabulary of sound. As you know, there are many things of sound, but first and very important thing is for English. As I hope you all know that we are going to learn English subject. Okay? This is our English subject lesson. Okay? So, is for English. Okay? Is for eagle. I hope all of you see the eagle. Is for air. Air is our part of body. Okay? Eagle, air. Elephant. Elephant. Is for elk. Is for elk. Is for eggplant. Is for eggplant. Elbow. Elbow is also our part of body. Egg. I know all children love the egg. Is for empty. Is for empty. Is for envelope. Is for envelope. Exit. Is for exit. These are the vocabulary words of a sound. So students, it's time for activity. I hope you all now understand the formation, tracing and also the vocabulary of a sound. Now I'm going to give you an activity which is find sound a. Look at this picture. There are 3 A's in this picture. I give you 20 seconds to find them. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, did you find them? Let me tell you. The first A is in the tree. Did you see this? The second A is in the leaves. Top of leaves. Did you see? And last, the third A is in the grass. Did you see? So students, I hope you all solve this puzzle. Okay? So students, it's time to giving you homework. I give you page number 18 and 21. In page number 18, there are 2 pictures. The top picture is about a boy who is sliding and the pattern is related to slide. Okay? And second picture is about a girl who is swing. The pattern is also related to swing positions. In page number 21, I give you the tracing of A. The formation of A is make a eye and turn around. And trace and color. You have to trace these eggs, bottom of the page, and you have to do in color these pictures. As you know, the egg color is white, but we can't put the white color. So we put yellow color in these eggs and also the chick. Okay? I give you page number 29 in your notebook. It's about a tracing of A and color in the elephant. Page number 30, it's about tracing of A and coloring in egg and tracing of A. Page number 31, A is for air. And page number 32, A is for envelope. So students, you have to do these pages on regular basis. You have to do one page on regular basis. For example, 18 page number you can do on Monday. Page number 21 you can do on Tuesday. Page number 29 of your notebook you can do on Wednesday. Page number 30 you can do on Thursday. Page number 31 you can do on Friday. And page number 32 you can do on Saturday. The Sunday is free for your enjoying. Okay? So students, enjoy your lesson. Miss Malia is again come with new topic. Allah Hafiz and take care.